Hey friends, as you can see, we are here to do Mini Madness. I'm super excited. I know I said I may not, or I wasn't sure about a video, but I did have enough in my little bank account buffer for this video. So we're gonna put $65 here in Mini Madness. This is the condensed version, and then of course you guys know I like to play with the money broken up. So that's how we're going to play, but we'll actually stuff the condensed version. So let's get going. This is Let's Rent a Movie. It's a 90s inspired savings challenge book. It's available in my shop. It's going to save a good amount. I do not think $65 is going to be enough to finish this today, but boy, am I really hoping. I don't think it's going to happen though, but we're going to see. So there's 8 challenges in this book, but some of the challenges are pretty large. So, you know, I get through some faster than others. Because there are 8 challenges, I have a 10-sided die here. I'm going to roll this. If I get anything over an 8, I'm either going to roll again or I'm just going to choose which one I want to do. I kind of just play it by ear. So let's get going and let's see what kind of progress we can make here. I'm really hoping, that's a 6, to finish this, because then I can stuff this money into my Skelly Savings Challenge book, which has been neglected. I haven't stuffed that in so long, but I did finish Dots and Dice in my previous video, and that's going to go towards the Skelly book. So if I can add this in there, that will be a huge stuffing for that book, which would be awesome. All right, so $2 here for our first scratch off going in. So 1 and 2. Obviously, I have some 5s and 10s here, so I am going to condense as I go. Again, I could just use a calculator and use the condensed money, but for me, for whatever reason, it's just easier to play with the smaller, like the bills broken up. So, all right, let's roll again. And we got number 2. So let's do this 5 right here. So for this one, it's a roll and save, but there are also amounts here that are pre-listed that you save as well. So that was a 5. So take $5. And number 10 is you choose. So let's just go over here. Why not? And let's cross off this 7. Again, this one you can kind of choose, but you also have some pre-listed amounts here. So 5, 6, and 7 going in. Okay, you probably heard the phone ringing. I got a phone call, so I apologize for that. I am going to go ahead and just condense these 2 5s and take one of these 10s here, and let's continue. Number 2 again, and we are here. We might as well knock out this last one here, which is $4. Actually, let's take a 5 and put back a 1. And now all we have for this page are roll and saves. Okay, number 7, let's go there. You know what? I should knock one of these out. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. If we're hoping to finish it anyway, we're just going to go with the flow. Okay, if we get a 3 today, then this page will be finished. So I'm going to roll a 6-sided die, and with this one, it's sort of a race to see which actor or actress is the best. And we got a 5, our first 5. And so let's put 5 in, and actually I'm gonna just take these 2 5s back and use the last 10 here, and let's keep going. Number 10, okay, I think I'm gonna stay on this page. I really am hoping to get a 3 so that I can consider this page finished. So let's see if I can get lucky. Yes, I did not. I didn't cheat, I swear. 3. Okay, perfect. Yay. So I think that's our first challenge in this book finished. Yes. Let's put in 3 1s. Actually, I have 2 over here. I'm just going to take back and put in a 5. Perfect. Okay. So that means that Jodie Foster is the winner for the best movie star. And remember, these are 90s movie stars. So we have Julia Roberts, Tom Cruise, Jodie Foster, Robin Williams, Bruce Willis, and Harrison Ford. And apparently Jodie Foster is the winner. All right, yay, love that. Okay, let's continue. Number 11, again, you choose. So let's just go here because why not? $1. We love, love, love that for sure. Let's put $1 in. All right, and let's go ahead and roll again. Number 1. Let's see where we're at with this one. This is just a traditional scratch off. We're saving up for our VCR. And it is a 4, so we're gonna put in a 5 and then take out a 1 from over here. Moving right along, challenge number 4. If it starts getting down to it, I may just stop rolling and just kind of go in order, but we'll see. I feel like we're starting to kind of run low on money. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is our drive to the video store to rent our movie. And the next number here is 5. So let's put in $5 and then roll again. Number 9 is you choose. I'm gonna knock one of these out. So our PG-13 movies are $10. I'm gonna knock that out right here. And then all we have are our PG movies left, which are 5, but there is a multiplier. So that's gonna be an ouchie. So okay, $10 going in and moving right along. I feel like we're not going to finish this, but we could potentially get close. Okay, number 4. So that's this one. Next number is $2. And then we only have $7 left to finish this page. Number 5 again. Okay, so should we just scratch the multiplier and get it out of the way? I think so. So these are 5s. So whatever this is, I have to multiply it by 5. And since this was a times 2, I really have a feeling that I put a times 3 here. Yeah. So that's $15. And ouch, that might be the rest of our money, you guys. Okay, let's see. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep. $2 left only. Boo. Okay. Do I even have a 2 anywhere in here? We can't do this 7. 2. I could just write a 2 on one of these. I really don't want to have an IOU in here. And that's about it. Like I could scratch and potentially get a 2, but that is unknown. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cheat a little bit and write a 2 here. That way I don't have an IOU. And unfortunately, we did not finish this book. So boo to that, but let's see what we have left. We have 3 scratch offs here, couple roll and saves. We only have 1 left here, which is either $5 or $8. We have $7 here, 5, 10, 15 here, some scratches. This page is done, and then a couple scratches. So it's not a lot, but it still probably is gonna add up. I wanna, like, I don't know, my guess would be like $30, $40 to finish this. So I'm gonna make it my mission now to try to scrounge up like 40 more bucks from somewhere to put into this. When I go away, I do have, I know I've been saying to you guys, a little bit of money set aside from selling things on Marketplace. And I think it's at least 40 bucks. So maybe I'll put that into here. That's gonna be a video for when I am away on the trip. I didn't, you know, plan necessarily where that is going yet, but maybe it will go into here and then we can finish this. That would be amazing, but we'll see. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the money in and count it up and see where we are at. Okay, so this book, remember, it saves 284 plus. So right now we have 51, 52, 250, 70, 90, 310, 3, 20, 30, 5, 6, 336 bucks. Wowza. That's awesome. Okay. So we are getting so close. If I have 336 and I need around 40 more, this book is going to save over 350 bucks, which is amazing. Okay, that is it for this one, my friends. I hope you're having an amazing weekend. Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching till the end of the video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.